morning to you. I'm Stephen from Seaplane Hong Kong. So we have our biggest operation base is based in the Philippines, China, Indonesia, Vietnam, and we're now working with CP Group to have a base in Thailand as well. So we have three main business models. So Seaplane it will be fully electric by 2024. We're working on R&D on the drones, and we're working with 4L operators to introduce to various cities across Southeast Asia. And we're also infrastructure builders as well. So we're building water-air drone, 7 of them. So basically, we'll be one of the first UAM passenger line in the world. The whole industry is worth $500 billion US, and the Chinese general aviation market is worth $24 billion. That is significantly below to our counterpart compared to the US or in Europe. But that's going to change with the latest 5 years plan. So we're already working with 2 state-owned enterprises, AVIC and CTS, and we've sold 50% of our tickets to Dongguo and Zhonglou CTS. We've got this app, so we've got designated area where you can hop on and hop off to our seaplanes and our UAM. We're solving congestion issues to infrastructure to developing a new market across Southeast Asia. So in this group alone, we'll be creating 20,000 jobs in the next 5 years. So how we make money? Aerial sighting as little as $250. Our nearest competition charge $4,000 on the helicopters. Private charter and on-demand air taxi service. So we've got 2 aircraft type, Twin Otter and the Cessna Caravan, and then the 4 manufacturer plus we'll be working on R&D as well on the UAM. So all this red dot you see here are our destination that we covered on our network. And in Palawan, we're working with the Department of Trade and Industry and Department of Tourism and the Presidential Palace in the Philippines to turn Palawan into the next Phuket and Bali. So a huge undertaking. Right now, we'll be launching our first seaplane airline in Q4 this year, based in Hainan, Free Trade Zone. And the initial investment is $4 million US. We're working with various different partners to deliver this. The plan meets all the KPI, whether for Mrs. Lam here in Hong Kong or all the provincial government across the southern coast of China. So we're also working with Boeing Center here in Hong Kong. We're doing R&D on a hydrogen electric eVTOL. And the government will match fund the project as well. So by 2025, this figure has been independently verified by UBS. We will have all this bubble you see here, our revenue stream. We will have $358 million US. That does not include the condo sale that's come with the Skyport. So in Hong Kong, 12.4 million people use the public transportation every day. We aim to capture 3.5 million people per year. So 300 passengers every day on our drones and seaplanes. So we've got support from NPC member Nick Chan to politician from DAB to Liberal Party, business leaders to support this seaplane project. We've been on the press a lot as well, so from Tatler to all the daily newspaper here in Hong Kong, very popular following. And so we're raising fund at the moment. By 2025, our estimated worst case scenario is 436.2 million. We aim to do spec early next year and dual list in 2024 in Hong Kong and New York. So to give you a little bit of comparison, EHang market cap right now is 1.24 billion. Velicopter has raised their Series D recently, 373 million. And with our investment, it's a safe investment with hard assets. So the money you put in will turn into hard asset right away. And the asset we will have on the first year is 57.8 million US dollars. So we're working with a lot of different partners, so heavy rail operator to property developer. One worth mentioning is Group ATP. They own 27 airports around the world. So we're looking for partnerships, so whether investment or prop tech partner, TMT, infrastructure, connectivity, R&D, marketing, or potential investment. So I'm happy to take any questions. Thank you.